Hi, this is Bradley, and today I'm going to take you through setting up Mango Languages, a language learning app provided to you by the FFLIB library. We're going to start by opening the Play Store, and we'll go ahead and search for Mango. The first one here, Mango Languages, is the one we're looking for. So we'll go ahead and say install. At this point you can see here I'm being prompted to finish my account, but since it's a free app, I don't actually need to do anything. You might also be prompted to enter a password to access your account, depending on your device, in which case go ahead and enter your password. Now that the app is installed, we'll go ahead and open it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is sign up for an account. This will track our progress as we continue down the lessons in the language. We're going to go ahead and click sign up. So we'll go ahead and enter our email here. And we'll create a password. Mine's going to be simple just in order to allow us to get through the demo, but you'll want to create a better password than mine. Here it's going to tell us what kind of information it's going to take and keep as it tracks our progress and with our account. So we'll go ahead and say agree. At this point we've created our account. We're now ready to select our language and connect our account to the library. So we'll go ahead and just pick a language in order to get to our account. So we'll say Spanish. At this point we can see the units for the language we've selected. If we go to the top left, we could select a new language. Right now though, we want to connect to our library account, and so we're going to go ahead and click on the person icon in the top right corner. This is our basic profile menu. We're going to go ahead and say subscribe for more. So at this point we're going to go ahead and look for the free Mango near us by clicking the search button. So we're going to go ahead and type in the search bar Fayetteville free. And the free is important here because there are several Fayetteville libraries or Fayetteville areas which may or may not subscribe to Mango, so you want to make sure you get the right library. So here we can see Fayetteville Free Library in Fayetteville, New York is on the top of our list when we search for Fayetteville Free. So we'll go ahead and select it. Now it's going to ask us to enter our library card number, so we'll go ahead and do that. And we're going to say access Mango. At this point we can see that we've unlocked the free access through the library. So we'll go ahead and say view unlocked content. At this point we can see now that all the content has been unlocked and there's no more locks on the side of the units. If we want to continue with this language, we could go ahead and select our first chapter and select one of these titles with chapter 1. At this point, in order to continue, we will need to download some of the content. We can select download all if we want to go ahead and get all the content at once, which might take a little while, or we can just do one. So if we select one here, it'll take a second and it'll download. So we can go ahead and tap that number and it'll start us in that portion of the chapter. By clicking the start button, it'll start the chapter, which I'm not going to do right now. To get out, we'll click the X at the top. We can see now there's a little blue icon next to the number 2, which we had selected. This indicates where we are in the chapter. We can go ahead and hit the back arrow at the top left to back out of this if we wanted to select a different language. We can see here on this page, before we get to the language selection, that we can see the languages we have selected. Right now we only have the Spanish, and how much time we've spent on it or completed lessons we have. If we decide we didn't want to do Spanish, we could go ahead and tap the delete button. For now, we'll just select another language, which will be up in the top left corner here. At this point, we can scroll through and we can see there's quite a few languages to select. So we'll go ahead and just say we want to add Japanese. Again, we're greeted by a very similar menu to what we had in Spanish, with the chapter units, and we can click into each one to see the chapters and the subsections of that chapter. At this point, we've covered all the basics of the Mango app. We hope this was helpful and we hope you have a great day.